Am I invading you in my vlog?
What?
Am I invading you in my vlog?
Talk properly first.
What is up? Good morning, guys. It's your boy MC back at it again with another video. So for today, guys, I'm back on the grind. May buhok sa dila ako. I am back on the grind, guys, and as you can see, paalis tayo ngayon. And wag niyo akong i-judge kasi mukhang hindi ako May buhok talaga sa bibig ko eh. Wag niyo ako i-judge kasi nga mukhang hindi ako nagpapalit ng hoodie. Meron akong tatlong ganito, no? So wag niyo akong i-judge. But anyways, guys, I am heading today sa BGC and I am working with this awesome company na it's a new company, so medyo mag-a-adjust tayo ng konti. But they hired me to be the director of their new commercial. Mamaya ko i-explain sa inyo kung ano yung company na yon. Chill lang kayo dyan kasi paalis na ako. Andyan na yung angkas ko sa baba. Pupunta na ako doon sa BGC and kikitain ko na sila. So let's go! Okay guys, so medyo may dilema. Hindi ko makita kung nasan yung angkas ko. Itong problema sa lugar namin, guys. Pahirapan maghanap ng mga angkas, you know what I'm saying? Hindi ko siya makita, men. Asan si kuya? Hindi ko makita. May angkas dun sa harapan ng gate. Kaso ang problema, hindi naman pala sa akin. Ito naman yun, sir.
Trippin' Aquafina, I'm sippin' 15, kept a weapon on me. Flow make digits, I'm on my business, stack chicken like what it's gon' be. Crew in the cut, hey, you want us, red run when I tell a bit peace. Love is love. Love is love. Adios. Bendo with the switch again. Boy deliver like he heffin'. Core with digits, give him estimates. Somersaults for my Benjamins.
Alright. Diyos ko patawarin. Kamali pa talaga.
Ayaw ka niya isakay?
Oo. Ayaw niya eh. Oo, malapit na naman. So guys, nakarating na ako, no? Si kuya. Ayun si kuya. Mukhang nagkamali. Kamali pa ng sundo eh. Okay guys. So dito na tayo ngayon sa Uptown Mall. Ay na, nahihiya ako mag-vlog sa labas, men. Bakit ganun?
Came through trippin' Aquafina, I'm sippin' 15, kept a weapon on me.
Ha! Shucks, di ako nakapag-vlog kahapon, guys. Sorry. Anyways, tutuloy natin itong vlog na to. Kasama ko si Dad. Boy, pupunta tayo ngayong event, guys. Pupunta tayo ngayon sa isang event ng Thoughtful Media Philippines. Yun yung MCN ko. I'm signed under them. I'm a signed YouTuber under them. So, meron silang i-release na bagong, ilo-launch nila yung bagong headquarters nila. So, I got invited and ewan ko ano mangyayari. And I'll see you guys there kasi kaka-lunch lang namin ni Dad. And yeah. Tagal ko hindi nag-vlog, di na ako sanay. Anyways guys, yun nga, parang ganun na. Gets? Okay, so pupunta na tayo doon and I'll see you guys there in a bit. Yeah. Boom! Okay, dito na tayo ngayon guys and din drop off na ako dito ni Dad. Okay, bye-bye! Kiss! Mwah! Okay, yeah. Okay, bye-bye! Ingat! Alright guys, so dito na tayo ngayon sa ito ba yun? Hindi ko alam eh.
Door is closing.
Door is closing. Okay guys, so andito na ngayon sa elevator and init. Share ko lang ha. Bagay, kasi naka-hoodie ako eh. Parang maingot. Init, summer na ngayon eh. Okay. Ito na.
Door is opening.
Hey guys, nandito ako ngayon sa Thoughtful Bob. Bunny?
What's
up, Marvin?
Nami, nahanap ka na, oh. Ano bro, kumusta? Ngayon ka lang lumabas ulit sa vlog. Nung nung creator camp eh.
Nag-show up ako?
Oo, nung creator camp. Creator camp. Anyways.
Last creator camp.
Yeah. So anyways, yun nga, Banny Lagrono. Like, comment, and subscribe. Yellow. Hi guys. Say hi to the vlog. Oh, I need to make green screen jokes, dude. Pwede na ba? Dude, let's go in. Ay! Magpapahamak pa, Jello. Ano na? Jello. Hey guys! Andito ako ngayon sa Czechoslovakia and as you can see right now, you know, andito yung as you can see, ito yung mama mo. Guys, meron ako ditong free trip to Paris. Pwede kayong pumunta ng Paris, you know what I'm saying? Jello, you come in. Dali. Jello, you're falling out of the sky. You're in a volcano. Nasa volcano ka na. And then now ngayon nasa toilet ka. Nasa toilet ka. Okay, yan. I like that shit. Okay, now you're good. Okay, you're good.
Alright, so thank you so much again, guys. Collaborations, ha? Saka meron na after this. Gino!
Actually, meron nga. So yan guys, tapos na yung event, no? Pero ngayon kasi, may photoshoot pa. So, pupunta muna kami doon. Photoshoot pa muna daw kami. So, update ko kayo mamaya. Hindi na ako naka-vlog, tol. Alam mo yung feeling na wala akong content. Pero natutuwa ako dito sa natutuwa ako dito sa office kasi, bro, kita mo parang parang call center. Jello Campo nga pala guys, subscribe. Dami mong ambag sa vlog ko ha. Dami mong ambag ha.
I'm a superstar.
Yeah, I know you are. You're dope. There you go.
Wow, ganun talaga.
Yeah. Unsubscribe. Binlock niya kami, naglalaro kami kanina, tas cheat code kami.
I love T-Series. No, wag
Cut. Okay guys, so since tapos na yung event natin with the thoughtful peeps, mga part ng nila kasi naputi din namin pero
Yan kita sticker, may sticker doon po.
may sticker?
Oo.
Lakas ako dito sa Opol eh. Sticker lang pala. What's that?
Do we get the free?
Oh no. I don't know how to write.
Illiterals. I'm gonna read you for not being able to read and then I can't read.
I don't know how to write. Okay guys, so sasagutan natin ngayon yung ito. Ano ba to? Sasagutan namin yung ratings ng Thoughtful Bubble launch and as you can see, I have my friends here. Bumaba kayo sa frame, pumasok kayo sa frame. Mag-effort naman kayo, vlog ko to eh. Tanya, ano na?
I'm the superstar of this vlog.
Yan, tama.
Marvin, dapat 5 ha. Lahat.
Oy, yun naman pala eh. Oh.
Yes,
Oh.
naman.
Hindi pa nabilugan yung 5. Bibilugan na lang yung 5, engot pa. Am I invading you in my vlog?
What?
Am I invading you in my vlog?
Talk properly first.
Oh my god. I do not
Stop barking.
I do not
No, I can't. Some drama here.
Oh! 3rd degree burn.
The shade.
unsubscribe Gino Bay. Unsubscribe ko sa kanya. Ayoko na. Teka lang, iyak muna ako. Hoy, ba't ka nandito? Bawal ka dito. So guys, so basically what's next is papasok kami dun sa green screen studio kung saan kami nagpupunta sa kung saan kanina, no? Papasok kami dun sa green screen studio and then ganun yung gagawin natin. Magpo-photoshoot kami. Sasagot kami ng mga kung ano-anong channel in Eklabu. Diba, Jello? Diba?
I don't speak Tagalog. Ew, no! Joke lang. Ano daw?
You're messing with the wrong audience,
I
bro.
know! Joke lang mga pre.
Mga tol.
Mga chong.
Mga tol, chong,
Mga
pare.
para-chong, bro.
Tol, chong, pare, bro. Teka, kukumprontahin ko lang to. Kailan mo ko i-invite dun sa game na... Grabe, nag-trending ka nun eh.
Hindi yan.
Nag-trending yun eh.
Nanonood.
Charla.
Nag-trending yun eh. Si Nami, ini-invite mo. Ako, hindi.
Ngayon.
Oo.
Ngayon na. Tara.
Okay lang.
Sige.
Wag naman ngayon, Johnny. Nami, alam mo na, lilibre mo ako.
Nami ulit.
Ha? Ha? Oy, Kazu. Paki mo.
In New York, I Millie Rock. Had it in my socks.
Hi! Ako nga pala si Mark. Kamusap ko yung sarili ko, Jello! Puta, stress na ako dito sa opisina, ha? Hirap-hirap kumita ng pera. Hirap na hirap na ako dito sa office, guys.
What's your table empty?
Ha? It's invisible. I'm high-tech. Don't judge me.
Sell the garment.
Ha?
Model the garment, bitch.
Runway!
Yes, I'm gonna do 2 shots. Following you, and then go back, and then you go back again.
Runway!
Okay, 1. Okay, wait. Okay, go. 1, 2, 3, go. I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you, Dad.
Hey guys, so dito kami ngayon sa green screen room. Ang thoughtful, I'm with Isay. And si Jello is magiging... Oh, ano yan? Ano yan? Ano yan? Isay is our multimedia artist. You know what I'm saying? Oh, subtle plug. Subtle plug.
Follow me on Instagram if you like seeing illustrations and animations at Isay Mendo.
Link down below.
Yeah, link down below.
Link down below, you know what I'm saying? So basically, ang gagawin namin ngayon is model kami. Mag-model ba tayo? Basically, mag-model kami guys. Ayun si Jello, ginagawa niya na. Ganda mo girl! Yan oh, yan. Oh.
Just to give a content, so I'm gonna repeat.
Oh yeah, briefing daw. Briefing. Oh. Briefing, sakto wala akong brief ngayon. Charing! Yeah, go lang. Wait, maayos mo yung buko? Kayo mag-bet.
You're too tall.
Back.
Back.
Really?
Di matapad din.
Yeah.
Back.
Kasi pag film
There! Actually no, harap siya ng
forward ng very slight.
Baby steps. Baby steps forward.
Konti pa.
Konti ba? There! Okay.
There! Damn, Isay! Sorry!
1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3. And same then to the side.
Hindi ko na nilabas yung dila.
Switch it up. Like that. 1, 2, 3. Other side. 1, 2, 3. 2 more.
Sell the watch, man. Sell the watch.
What?
Sell the watch.
1, 2, 3. Last shot. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so video.
Woo! You know what I'm saying? That's how you do a freaking photo shoot, my man. Okay, game. Yun lang eh, no photoshoot ka agad. Masyadong bida-bida. Yo, what's up? It's your boy, Pambansa Kulot, Marvin Zipala. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, and I'm thoughtful.
So, why do you create videos on YouTube?
So, nag-start ako mag-create ng videos kasi bored lang ako. And yeah, man, that's basically it. I just love the art of it, and at first it was just for fun, and then now I get to do it for a living.
Who are your inspirations when you create these videos?
Biggest inspirations ko are probably my friends kasi I'm basically friends with a lot of amazing content creators. Siyempre, best friend ko, Senpai Kazu, Jerry Corseo, Kong TV, Roger Acker, all of those guys, big inspirations. But yo, what's up? It's your boy Papa Sangkulot, and make sure to subscribe and maghugas ng pinggan and linis ng bar top. You know what I'm saying? And love your mom and drink water.
And cut. Oh my god. Drink water. Stay hydrated.
Drink water. Stay hydrated. You know what I'm saying? Okay guys, so basically tapos na. That's it. I can still see the ring light sa mata ko. What's up everyone? I'm here at Jello Ocampo's room and
We're about to film a porn.
Yeah.
JK.
Anyways, I haven't done a collab in a while. So basically, kasi for me guys, hindi na collab yung kay Kazu eh. So, it's a normal thing. Pero ito, it's like the first video namin ni Jello. So, you make sure to subscribe sa kanya. And makita nyo on
Monday. Insert March something here.
Wow!
11!
Wow!
March 11.
Papahirapan ako mag-edit. But
March 11 is the collab video on my channel. You will see this video before that, right? Am I correct? Am I speaking proper English?
Yes, bish. Ain't nobody got time for that.
Hindi talaga ako ganun ka-snooty, ha? Hindi ako ganun ka whitewashed.
Clearly you're not whitewashed.
Sakto lang. But anyways guys, shoot mo namin. I'll update you guys in a bit. Yeah.
Hey sweets. Let me introduce you to my friend. His name is Marvin. His name is Marvin. His name is Marvin. And what do we do with Marvin? Answer, bitch. Hi.
Oh my gosh. Dude, you look fly as fuck.
It's styled by me.
Yep. Okay guys, so basically tapos naming gumawa ng vlog. And as you can see, I'm still here in the room of Jello. And yeah, make sure you go to subscribe. Make sure you go subscribe sa kanya kasi
Yes, here's the ice.
okay, ito na yung ice. Actually, di pa kami tapos mag-film. Paano pa kami, may gagawin pa kaming consequence. Panoorin nyo na lang sa channel niya, no? You know what I'm saying? So, I'll update you guys in a bit. Mwah! Woo! So, basically guys, dito ko na tatapusin tong vlog. It's the next day at kakagising ko lang, no? And guys, alupit ng mga nangyari kahapon. Thank you so much, Thoughtful PH, for inviting us. And we had a lot of fun. Saya. And it was a great time with all the thoughtful YouTubers. And yeah man, that's basically it. And I will finish the vlog here. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't. And make sure you guys ring that notification bell para maging notified kayo every time I upload a video. Make sure you do that. I will see you guys on the next vlog. Papa Sangkulot signing out. Yeah. Woo!